Welcome to Dental Edinburgh, the friendly dental practice. And I keep saying this, but we are the friendly dental practice. I'm going to expand on a video I recently did on fear of dentists. All too often, anxiety causes people to opt out of dental exams altogether. There are many dentists, and we are one of them, who now specialise in dealing with patients who have a fear of the dentist. We realise that up to 20% of the population have this fear. And what's more, dental anxiety knows no boundaries, includes a wide range of patients, rich and poor, men and women, all ages, races, and socio-economic groups. So it really is widespread. I'll give you an example. My childhood visits to the dentist were an absolute nightmare. The dentist didn't use any kind of anaesthetic, and treatment was extremely painful. Because of one particularly bad visit, 4 fillings, 8 injections, by then I demanded anaesthetic. I refused to go again until I joined the Royal Navy, and I had no choice. Dental checkup or out. Unfortunately, the longer you leave a visit to the dentist to seek treatment, the more difficult it becomes. The fear levels tend to increase. I used to be terrified for days before my regular Navy checkup. As stated above, my dental anxiety began in childhood. My dentist at the time was rough, very direct, no encouraging, just ordering, sit there, do this, open your mouth, open wider. He got impatient if I wasn't sitting in the chair just right. What's more alarming, however, are recent studies that link gum disease to a host of other more serious medical problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and premature births. You just can't afford to say, oh, well, it's only my teeth, I'll worry about it later. It's much more serious than that. If you have an infection in your mouth, it can compromise your entire immune system. Okay, getting the help you need. Some tips for choosing the right dentist. You'll need to find a dentist who will understand your concerns. You need to let them know that you have a fear of the dentist. With all the dentists out there, how can you choose one who will understand your fears and provide sympathetic care? Here are 6 things to look for when searching for the dentist that's best for you. Talk with whoever answers the phone. Phone a number of surgeries. Share your concerns about the dental treatment, your fears and so on. Although that person isn't the dentist, he or she should be understanding and compassionate. If the person answering the phone isn't friendly, chances are the dentist won't be. The dentist sets the tone for the entire office. Important, don't wait until you have a problem to seek treatment. In an emergency situation, there's no time to start interviewing your dentist or checking out the practice. Start checking out dentists now. Ask for a consultation appointment. Just say, hey, I'd like to come down and just have a chat, maybe even a tour of the surgery. Some dentists will do this. If a practice won't make that kind of appointment, just cross it off your list, because believe me, and we're one of them, there are practices there that will. Likewise, if you don't feel that the dentist is listening to you during the consultation, go somewhere else. You should feel completely comfortable with the person who'll be treating you. Book your appointment for a time of day when you'll have no other appointments or stresses. In fact, why not book it for a day, take the day off and have a complete free day, relax before, relax after. Don't book it when you know you've got to be somewhere shortly. You're just going to increase your stress levels. Communicate with your dentist. Participating in decisions about your treatment will give you a kind of feeling of control. Discuss various treatment options and ask the dentist to explain what is happening at every stage of the procedure. Anxiety often comes just from not knowing what's about to happen. When you know what the dentist is going to do, you won't be taken by surprise. And last tip, start slowly. Build your confidence level one step at a time. For example, begin treatment by simply getting your mouth examined. Then come back later for a cleaning. Then if there's any work required, then come back a bit later. You don't have to do it all at once. Take one step at a time. I hope this will give you a bit of comfort. I had this terrific fear when I was in the Navy, and the way I got round it was, one time when I didn't have to go, I made an appointment myself. And because I was making the appointment, I was in charge, suddenly the fear dropped away. Now I won't say I love it, but I switch off completely. And that's the way you want to be. A visit to the dentist, something I have to do, and feel good afterwards. You'll see we're on the Dental Edinburgh site. That's www.dentaledinburgh.co.uk. The friendly dental practice, and we really are. We've got a section on here called Don't Be Afraid, and we like to try and help patients with a fear of the dentist. So go to the site www.dentaledinburgh.co.uk We're based in Edinburgh, obviously, and we'll be happy to help you. Look out for more videos in our series of helpful videos. Thank you for watching. I do hope you found it informative, and I do hope it gives you some peace and makes you feel a little bit more confident. Please, if you haven't been getting checked out regularly, start now.